Hello student, good afternoon. Today I will teach you resistance and immunity. In this topic, that is the natural immunity also we have to see, and acquired immunity, that is resistance and immunity, and natural immunity, by birth immunity. Natural by birth, that is called natural immunity. Immunity, pratikar shakti, immune power to fight the number of infections, parasites and other also debris, that is called as the natural immunity, pratikar shakti. Resistance and immunity. How to develop the resistance and immunity? Knowledge of the means by which animals resistance infectious disease, and the mechanism by which this resistance is increased against specific organism or the products of prior exposure to them, either naturally or by artificial means, began with Pasteur in the last half of the 19th century. Since then, this young science of immunology has enjoyed rapid growth and today provide us with tools for preventing, ameliorating or curing many diseases, and also with means of diagnosing them by immunological test. In the early days of its development, this science dealt almost exclusively with bacteria or their products, or with non-living antigens, and was largely concerned with demonstration of various antibody reactions, such as toxin neutralization, agglutination, precipitation, lysis, complement fixation, increased phagocytosis, and allergic sensitization. Most of the observations were made in vitro, and little attention was paid to functional immunity, that is the actual protection afforded, except in the case of toxins and antitoxins, and later of viruses and neutralizing antibodies. It was well into the 20th century before it became clear that the fundamental principles of immunity are the same for protozoans, helminths, and arthropods as for bacteria and toxins, though there are differences in degree or in detailed study of the development of resistance to metazoan parasites has been particularly fruitful in explaining functional as compared with in vitro demonstration of immunity, as will be seen below. Natural immunity. Natural immunity means by birth immunity, immune power coming from the parents, that is the natural by birth immunity. How to fight the different parasites bacteria, viruses, and other debris, other any nature. Natural immunity. Natural immunity to particular parasite is the breeding birthright not only the species of animals but also of races and even individuals. It is due to genetic and environmental factors, most of which are not well understood, although in some cases simple factors are concerned, such as mechanical barrier, pH, temperature, and diet. Some parasites are more tolerant of conditions in different hosts and live indiscriminately in many different ones, whereas others may be limited to one particular species. Parasites adapted to live in a particular species of host often thrives better in that host than in any others. But after a number of generations they may be adapt themselves better to some other host. Natural immunity may often be broken down by such means as removal of the thyroid glands or the spleen, dietary deficiencies, injury by other infections, or other debilitating factors. Age resistance. Age resistance is often reality acquired immunity, or it may be due to increased speed of development of acquired immunity. The ability to cope with infectious disease develops with age, just as does ability to digest beef stick or to solve mathematical problems. Babies cannot be mobilize phagocytes or produce antibodies as efficiently as older individuals. However, there is a true age immunity of the some animals to some infections. Sandground in 1928 wrote that age resistance is usually associated with the abnormal or imperfectly adapted host. Any incompatibility between host and parasite appears to be become intensified with age. It is significant that most cases of human infections with foreign worms belonging in other animals are recorded in the children's. Eckert in 1938 found a tangible basis for age resistance of chickens to Escherichia in the increase with age of intestinal goblet cells, the mucin of which he showed to have an inhibitory effect on the worms. Okay, thank you. This is the natural immunity. Okay.